Good day guys. Now in this video we are going to repair an anesthesia machine. So we have started the unit and now it is testing the ventilator. So in this part of the test we will see what is the problem. So now it's 94%, 95, 96, and here it is. Exhaust valve malfunction. So we already checked the leak in the Y-piece and in the breathing circuit, but there is no leak. So we go directly to change the exhaust valve since we encountered already this problem before, and this is the solution. So we are removing this defective exhaust valve and we replace the new one. It's already connected, and now we are going to test the unit after we change the defective exhaust valve. So we will start the unit now, and here it is. We will wait until it will reach to the ventilator test, and from there we will know if we are able to fix the problem or we still have the same problem. So now it's checking the subsystem, and after that it will check the fresh gas, then ventilator. Now we will see if it will pass the ventilator test. It's showing now 77 and going up to 90%. And here it is, the result. Okay, pass. So the problem was eliminated and we have fixed the problem, and now we are running the anesthesia machine after we replace the defective exhaust valve. Okay, so until here guys, and see you on the next video.